Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you this explosion box which I have made today. I will be uploading its tutorial very soon on my channel in 3 parts. So let's see the explosion box. It is 3-layered explosion box with different lid on every layer. On the main layer it has hearts. And here I have added this circular envelope fold card. The theme of this explosion box is yellow and black. I have used almost black and yellow colored paper and heart shaped punching machine. So here I have added some tags. Here also some tags. Here I have applied a pocket for putting your tags, and here a small waterfall card. Let's open the second layer. Second layer contains this accordion card with the lock and this easy fold card, and this again a accordion card in different style. You can paste your pictures on this page side. This is an envelope type card. You can write your message or paste pictures inside it. So let's open the third layer. This is the third layer, which is the last layer, greeting cards. So it will be easy to open them for beginners who don't know the techniques of different cards. Here I have applied some small tags. Here a pop-up card where you can paste pictures, small pictures, or write messages. Here also envelope, and here a box. In this box you can put your gift, whatever you want to gift the person. I have put a ring box. This explosion box is very easy to close and use. It has very simple techniques, and I have used very simple supplies to make it for beginners. I hope you like this explosion box. So if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe my channel for more craft videos. So bye bye, take care, meet you in my next